Are supernumerary body parts real human anomalies? Imagine a person with an extra finger or an additional limb. That might sound like something from a science fiction story, but these are actually real human anomalies. Supernumerary body parts are extra parts that develop during early growth, making the body deviate from what we usually see. They can be visible outside the body, like extra fingers or nipples, or hidden inside, such as an extra kidney or spleen. These anomalies happen because of how the embryo develops. Sometimes, the fertilized egg begins to split but doesn't fully separate, leading to extra structures. Genetics can also play a role, especially if there is a history of inbreeding, which increases the chance of these anomalies showing up. Some common examples include polydactyly, where a person has extra fingers or toes. This is the most well-known supernumerary body part and can range from a small nubbin to a fully formed extra finger. Polymelia is another example, where someone might have an extra limb, like an extra arm or leg. Extra nipples or breasts can also occur, often appearing along the milk line. Supernumerary bones are common in the feet, where extra small bones may develop. Some people are born with extra organs, like an additional kidney or spleen, which usually don't cause problems but can sometimes requiring medical attention. Diphallia is a rare condition where a person has two penises. Polycephaly involves having an extra head, which is extremely rare and usually associated with serious health issues. Having 3 or more testicles, known as polyorchidism, is another anomaly. Extra muscles can also develop, like additional heads of the biceps muscle. Sometimes, webbing between fingers or toes, called syndactyly, is considered related to supernumerary features. Women can have uterus didelphys, which means to uteruses and to vaginal canals. Some of these extra parts work normally, but others can cause health problems. For example, an extra ureter from an additional kidney might lead to urine leakage, needing surgery. Extra breasts or nipples are often monitored for cancer, just like normal ones. From a science perspective, these anomalies show how unpredictable human development can be. They are fascinating examples of how the body can take unexpected turns during growth. In history and culture, extra limbs or heads have often been seen as signs of power or divine favor. In medicine, recognizing supernumerary body parts is important for proper diagnosis and treatment. Sometimes, extra parts are removed if they cause problems or are at risk of disease. These anomalies reminded us that the human body is full of surprises, and sometimes, it experiments with form in the most unusual ways.